it out, guys. Check it out. Alright, this is a one-way street. This is a one-way street, so I'm on the left side of the road because I'm gonna make a left turn. I have my signal light running. Left turn signal. Waiting for the light to change to green. Got a red light. I wonder if the camera's picking it up. I think so. But like I said before, once again, I gotta wait until I get home and check out this footage, this video. Can't wait. Once this is all edited, it'll be good to go, and this is all for your educational and enjoyment purposes, guys. There's a bike shop right there, Bicycle Pro Shop. Nice bike shop. I bought my bike right there. Want to be on YouTube? You want to be on YouTube? You want to be on YouTube? Hey, you want to be on YouTube?
Huh?
You want to be on YouTube?
Sure.
You're on YouTube right now.
Oh, really? What's up?
Alright. Oh, man. Kids. Oh, man. Oh, these kids. Oh man, yep, this is New York City. New York City. Bronx, New York. It's 83 degrees. My car is saying that it is 83 degrees. I think on the radio earlier they said it was 82, but I think it went one notch up. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, take it easy. I'm gonna end it here. Switch over. There's a car coming. I see him. There you go. Oh, he's from New Jersey.